Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and happy Sunday to all of you. Our discussion today is regarding question number 8, Kedah Paper 2 2016. Last week, when I see my students trying to solve this question, I saw that they are having difficulty to understand what's going on based on the diagram. So my advice to them is to draw a simple diagram that is clearer, because we might need to know how to find the angles and how to find the length. Okay, so let's begin our discussion for today. I'm trying to point out to you here that the center A here connected to center B gives you the length of 6, and also from B, okay, connected to circumference here, I put it C, and another length here from A to C, it's 2 meter, 6 meter, and this is also 6 meter. So knowing that, we know that these two angles will be the same because it is a isosceles triangle. So we can also find this angle, and then we can use another drawing here. If I put it here D, it is congruent. So this is going to be 6, and this is also going to be, so the angles should be equivalent. Okay, so when you look at the question, the question 1, what is the length that needs to be installed around the pool with tiles? So we know that we need to use the formula of circumference and also the formula of length of arc. Okay, so we continue here. So obviously the tiles that is being put on the adults pool is the total of the circumference, and the tiles that is being put on the children pool is only the length of arc. So there won't be any problem of trying to find the circumference of adult pool, but you have to work on how to find the angle that is substandard to form the length of arc for the children pool. Okay, so let's now begin with how to find the angle. We're going to find the angle using the formula from the solutions of triangle, that is cos rho. For cos rho here, cos theta, so I'm going to put here theta, this is also theta. Cos theta is actually 6 squared plus 2 squared minus 6 squared over 2 times 6 times 2. Then the angle that we're going to have here, 2 theta, is the one that we double after we got the theta. So in this case, I'm going to change my calculator into radian so that we can find the radian. And then shift cos, bracket 4 over 24. Then I will double it up times 2. So I will get the angle, the minor angle for the children's pool should be 2.807 radian. Okay, and at the same time, since the radian here is 1.402, okay, 1.403, and this is also 1.403, so we're going to use 180 minus 1.403 minus 1.403. 403, and the angle here is supposed to be 0.3356. Okay, so now let's continue with part A. We already know the angle that is subtended for the minor, length of arc. We need to know for the major. So for the major is 2 pi. This is minor. This is major. It is supposed to be 3.476. Okay, let's start our calculation now. It's trying to find the length of arc for the major angle subtended in the children's pool. So let's have S equals, the radius for the children's pool is 2 meter times 3.476. It should be equal to 6.952. Okay, then the angle, the circumference for the adult's pool should be 2 pi times 6, supposed to be 12 pi. The length of tiles will be 12 pi plus 6.952 equals 44.65 meter. Okay, this is the answer for part A in order to find the length of tiles. Now we are looking at part B. Part B, okay, part B, by looking at this, we realize that the question asks you to find the small pool is children pool, calculate the area of children pool. Okay, calculate the area of children pool. It is the involvement of, let's say here, I'm going to use the brown. I'm going to show this is the involvement here is the length, the arc of the children's pool, and this. This is the area. So based on this, you can create the path of trying to find the answer. Okay, let's see. You have to find the area of sector subtended by the angle of the major by the major angle. Then you have to minus the segment. I will shade this with red to show this is the segment that we have to minus. Okay, so let's find the segment first. The segment is actually comes from the area of sector of the adult's pool minus the triangle of the adult's pool. So if we want to find the segment, we have to first find segment equals half of the radius times 0.3356 minus half of the two length, that is 6 square sin, okay, Okay, the mode. Now we are going to find the angle of 0.3356. Then 0.3356. The angle is 19.23. Okay, so we have this. We calculate now. Okay, the segment is 0.1123. And then since we have two segments, 0.1123 must times 2. So it is 0.2246 meter squared. And then we have to find the area of sector children pools. Okay, the area of sector children pool is half 6 square. No, it's not 6 square. It is 2 square because the children's pool is 2 meter in radius times the angle in radian for the major sector, that is 3.476. Okay, so 2 times 3.476 is 6.952 meter squared. So the area of children's pool is 6.952 minus 0.2246. That is 6.727 meters squared. Okay, that's all. When you do this question of kebat or non-written question, you have to be very fast in paving the path to get the solution. So my suggestion to you is again redraw the diagram in terms of the diagram that is easier for you to understand. Okay, then only we can look or try, because it's quite messy if you try to find everything in the diagram illustrated in the question. Okay, that's all for now. Whatever it is here, the most important thing is to understand the exact way to solve this by drawing a new diagram. Thank you very much. I hope with my explanation you will understand how to find or how to solve this Kedah question, question 8, paper 2, 2016. Thank you again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.